In this example, a flask containing neon gas is connected to an open-ended mercury manometer. The open end is exposed to the atmosphere with a pressure 745 torr. The mercury level in the open arm is 5 centimeters below that in the arm connected to the flask of neon. What is the neon pressure in torr? So for these, I highly recommend making a drawing. And so these manometers are these what we call J or U tubes. Sort of look like this. And this one up here is open to the atmosphere. And this side is connected to a container that has neon in it. And what we are told is that the mercury level in the open side is 5 centimeters below. So this distance here is 5 centimeters. And so again, the side with the neon is the higher level. The side with the atmosphere that's open is the lower of the two levels. And again, they're 5 centimeters apart. We also know that the atmospheric pressure up here, we'll call this the PATM here, is 745 torr. We also now know that the pressure of the atmosphere in this problem is greater than the pressure of the neon, because the side with the lower level means that there's more pressure there pushing that mercury level lower. The side with the lower pressure will allow the mercury level to be higher. So we know that the difference between these two, if we subtract the larger from the smaller, which in this case would be the atmospheric pressure minus the neon, is going to be 5 centimeters of mercury. We are given this pressure here in torr, which remember torr is the same thing as millimeters of mercury. So what we can do here is multiply this by 10 millimeters in 1 centimeter. Remember that millimeters means 10 to the minus third, centimeter means 10 to the minus 2, so there's 1 decimal place apart. Millimeters the smaller of the two units, so we need 10 millimeters to make up 1 larger centimeter. So this would be 50 millimeters of mercury. And so now we can just plug this in. We know that our atmospheric pressure, 745 millimeters of mercury, minus the pressure of our neon is equal to 50 millimeters of mercury. And so if we rearrange this a little bit, do some algebra here, we find that we're just going to have to subtract, because again, the mercury pressure is lower. So we have to subtract this off, and that gives me that the neon pressure here is 695 millimeters of mercury. Now the question says it wants the answer in torr, but remember millimeters of mercury and torr are exactly the same. So 695 torr, if you want to write the word torr there, is the answer.